Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. Sorry about my attire. I have been painting inside of that thing all day because construction is going on. I can't give you a sneak peek because it's all dusty in there. We don't want the dust in here, okay? So, first up, Lovestruck. This is Lella Boutique. Look how pretty. We have the teak color to go with it. Isn't it delightful? It's so pretty. And then I'll just remind you, we have those 3 patterns that specifically go with it. Wild Hair, Flutter, and Love Day. Then up front, we have a line called Birds and Bees by Michael Miller. Not to be Marcus. Not to be confused with The Birds and The Bees. That is way too R-rated for this show. Okay, then we have this little pattern here, Apple Dandy, and a little sneak peek. These are going to be kits soon, but Linda used Fruit Loop to make some cute little placemats. Aren't they adorable? Yes, yes they are. Okay, next up, where are we going? This way.
Hallway.
Follow me. Okay, I have 2 patterns and then 1 more line. We have Flower Field Quilt. Okay, that has a throw. It's a throw size and a single on there. And then you have, this is for 5-inch squares. It is XOX. I like that. I like a little table runner. Lastly, we have Collections Cause Etchings. This is by 3 sisters and Howard Marcus in conjunction with one another for Moda. It's pretty. It's elegant. It's just so 3 sisters, right? Okay, I don't have a question.
Uh-oh. Caleb's not here.
There's a show this Sunday, Fab Stash Show, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard. If you want to win, read the little blurb about the video and there'll be a question in there because I'm going to make Caleb come up with it.
Perfect.
Okay. Until next time, happy quilting. Bye.